Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 861 East Tuckman Street in Kuna, Idaho. This is a beautiful home built in 2022 by Riverwood Homes. It was called the Messina Plan. Tax records have it at 3415 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a oversized 3-car garage. Notice all the concrete that extends all the way to the edge of the house. Some builders only pour, kind of this much. And if you notice over here, you have an extra 2+ feet. So you have a nice wide driveway, also space in between the two garages, which is great for if you pull a car into here, you can actually open your door, or on the other side as well. Beautiful, low maintenance landscaping here. Very trusted builder in the Patagonia neighborhood, which is on the north side of Kuna, close to shopping, very close commute for people heading into Meridian or Boise. It's a quick jaunt into town. You have a park down at the end of the street over here, and some other community amenities, which I'll have listed in the listing and the photos. And notice that you're on a corner here. You'll also notice that there aren't a lot of people parked on the street, just my car there. Nobody else here pretty much on the whole street, except for a couple cars way down there. It's just nice if you have a get together. You got plenty of parking out here for your company. You've got the larger chip lava rock, which means it doesn't blow around. It's fantastic. Low cost irrigation water here. Vinyl fencing. Nice covered front patio. And we'll head inside and take a look. So at the front entry here, you'll notice there's no steps, which is really nice. Just nice flat concrete here. And you have rain gutters out here with extensions that lead away from the home. It was on the other end of the garage as well. Nice, proud, tall door here. And you'll see the nice tall ceilings inside. And it's nice to have a window here as well to see who's at your front door. The owners do have a security system here that is negotiable. See the cameras there. And let's go inside and take a look. Okay, we've entered the home, and you'll notice the cathedral ceilings at the front entry. Beautiful chandelier here. Nice wide entry with all low maintenance vinyl plank flooring in here. Again, nice tall doors on the main level here. And this takes us into the office area. And you'll notice it has the kind of a wainscoting here, finish work here. Beautifully done. Blinds installed throughout the house. Notice you have the full casing around the windows. Very spacious room here. All the dimensions are on the floor plan. You can take a look at. And I like the accent wood here on the banister as well. Very clean. And off to the right, we have the guest bathroom. Pedestal sink. I love the fact that the bathroom is away from your main entertaining areas for privacy. This house has tons of storage. So you have storage here. Additional under the stairs storage there. And then we come into the family room. And you have a huge furniture here. Nice big couch. It shows you how well you can entertain here. Built-in cabinets, gas fireplace. Plenty of room for almost any size TV, ceiling fans, recessed can lighting. Expansive windows, again with blinds, curtains up. I think the curtains are not included, but it gives you a good idea of what you're looking at here. And I love the fact that you can actually open these up and get some fresh air through the house. And then one of my favorite parts of the house is the gorgeous kitchen. The fact that there's 9-foot ceilings in here allows you to have nice and tall cabinets, full tile backsplash, quartz countertops, soft close drawers, the stainless steel colored hardware, gas range, Plenty of room for your pots and pans. Lots of outlets. And you'll notice that they're nice and level. Some builders, you'll see one up there and one down low. This is well built, double oven. And this goes into the pantry area that has a nice deep walk-in pantry. Plenty of space for everything, and a coffee shelf kind of built in here. And again, lots of outlets on this shelf here. Even has the USB port back there. And this has the obscured glass door here, so aesthetically very pleasing. And then you've got your stainless steel refrigerator with upper cabinets here, and a little bar area here as well. All GFCI protected. And then you have this very pretty support beam here that brings in the wood color as well. And just love the flooring on the main level. Additional storage here on my left. And we'll head back towards the primary bedroom. This goes out to the garage with a mud bench. Additional storage here. And walk-through laundry room. You can tell how well the owners have maintained this home. This walks through to the master closet, but we'll take you into the primary bedroom right now. You have the vaulted ceilings in this room. Very spacious, can lighting, ceiling fan, and pretty much room for any size furniture in here. You could put some chairs in here, a couch, dressers, whatever you like. Lots of space. Love the architectural style of the doors as well. Very modern, beautiful. So you walk into the tiled primary bathroom. You have the nice deep tub here with the obscured glass window, fully wrapped. Elegant light fixtures, huge mirror, his and her sinks with the quartz countertops. And notice here, they used to put the drawer up top and it was just a facade drawer, but here they're putting them down low so it's actually functional, so you can open that up and have lots of open space and you're not wasting cabinet space. Then you have the walk-in shower, tile all the way to the ceiling, with the glass door, which helps keep the heat in, especially in the wintertime. That's nice. Notice you have a shelf here and a nice little shelf down here as well. And nice tile work on the flooring, an additional shelf over here. Very well done. Then you have the private commode area, plenty of legroom, and a window over here as well. So leaving the primary bathroom, you'll see another additional storage closet in here, linen closet, and you walk into the walk-in closet here, light and bright, still 9-foot ceilings, lots of built-ins here, plenty of space, and we will exit through the laundry room. Okay, now let's take you upstairs now. You'll also notice in this house it has the flat panel electrical, Sun Valley texturing, and the garage also has, pardon me, it's also textured with a very flat texturing in there. So we'll head up the stairs. You see that accent color wood being brought in and the full casing around the stairs. Nice wide staircase with a nice big window at the top. Elegant light fixture that matches the one off the front entry. Cap on the rail here. Very nice carpeting. Kind of a very low cut. At the top of the stairs, we have the next bedroom. Ceiling fans added with your closet with an organizer in it. Very nice feature. And again, full wood wrapped windows, blinds. Notice the levered hardware up here. And you go across the open banister to the huge bonus room. which is also vaulted. 2 windows, full wood wrap. And what I like about this is how wide it is. A lot of times builders will build bonus rooms and they're not very functional because they bring the ceilings down too low and you can't put stuff on the walls, bookcases. These look like they're about 8 feet on the wall height and plenty wide enough for a pool table, poker set, or poker table, or anything else you want to do to entertain. Okay, as we leave the bonus, notice that it has the double doors here. Again, nice wide area at the top of the stairs. More storage here. Your guest bath with his and her sinks in here as well, and the hardware and the wrapped mirror. Some of the builders will just stick a mirror there and not have the wood wrap around it. Additional storage in here as well. And then your toilet and bathtub area. I like how they delineated it so somebody can shower and someone else can prepare in here. Very nice. Then you got your second thermostat up here. Next bedroom, very spacious. Ceiling fan, slider closet, 2.5-inch faux blinds up here. And you can see that this looks like a double bed, and you've still got plenty of room for all kinds of other furniture, computers, etc. And we have, this is great. So this is actually kind of a detached, not detached, but guest suite right here, guest bedroom that has its own full bath. So perfect for company or someone else staying with you, whatever you like there, or adult child or grandma, grandpa. Full wood wrap mirror again, wood wrap windows. Insert shower unit here, but what's great about it is it has the 2 benches. So kind of upgraded there. Towel racks, quartz countertops, elegant spigot here. Elongated toilets throughout the house as well. Some of the things that the builder does right. Nice tile flooring in here. Very neutral colors. And the bedroom, ceiling fan. Nice big windows throughout the house. That's one thing you'll get with Riverwood is larger windows, just nicer builder included features all around. Nice big closet, again with the built-ins. And now we'll take you outside. In the dining room, one thing I love is there's plenty of space for almost any size dining table without impeding the walkway. A lot of times there's the slider or door over here and you have to walk around. In this case, you do not. Very elegant. And it's almost wide enough that if you were having a party, you could run your table this way for more seating, or even have, an extra little table right here for Thanksgiving or something like that. And then you also have the 4 additional spaces at the bar, which is quite lovely. Okay, so we're heading outside now, and you'll notice the beautiful covered patio out here. They've extended the concrete along the width of the home. And again, you have the rain gutters with the downspouts that exit over here off the side, which is really nice. And very low maintenance landscaping with the lava rock exterior, or I'm actually not sure if that one's lava rock there, but it's got the rock, big chip rock around the exterior of the home with some nice shrubbery and some arborvitae. Clean over here along the side. And you've got a gentle slope away from the house, which is awesome for keeping water out. Notice the vented eaves, which are extended, and the full rain gutters there. The vented eaves up here as well. So again, another indication of a good quality builder. And again, the arborvitae, which they grow faster than pretty much any other tree, so you're going to get more privacy over the years. And you have a spigot right here and an outlet. Nice place for an outdoor fireplace. And huge air conditioner here, the gate. One thing to mention out in the garage, and I'm not going to videotape that, is you can see the PDF of the floor plan, but it is pre-wired with a 240 volt, which means that if you want to hook up your electric car, you just have to have set up the charger on there. I think it's around $500 for a Tesla. The expensive part is having the 240 volt set up, and it's already set up. So that's a nice feature out there, and fully finished. 2 openers, etc. Thank you for touring the house with me. This is Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. Contact your agent if you have one to see the home in person. Otherwise, I'm happy to help you. 208-340-0000. Bye-bye.